Good afternoon. On behalf of the Calgary Police Service, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to be here. It's an honor to be here to help you celebrate the second annual Muslim Heritage Day and to celebrate the unique, diverse community that we live in called Calgary. The mayor hit it on the head when he said this is a great city to live in. It's a great city because of all the people that make it up, including the Muslim community. It's an opportunity to learn about other cultures today, and what makes Calgary a great city and a proud city to live in. The Calgary Police Service strives to reach out to every community in Calgary to create a positive and open dialogue. Community-based policing, which is the basis of the Calgary Police Service, is a shared responsibility between us, the police service, and you in the community. It's the community-based policing that again makes this one of the best cities in the world to live in. By working together, we can find long-lasting solutions to problems that threaten our public. And I thank you for inviting us here, and I look forward to sharing the afternoon with you. Thank you.